Hello, welcome to ChinesePod. My name is Joy.
And my name is Joe.
And today in our tone change series, we're going to be teaching you the word ni.
Ni.
That's you, which is super, super common. Joe, what's the very first phrase you learned in Chinese?
The very first phrase I learned is just saying hello. So it's ni hao.
Ni hao, eh? So we already noticed that sounds different from ni.
Yes.
So in the pinyin version, ni is third tone. And the very first thing you learn is to change it. So exceptions are very common. Ni hao. So that's ni and ni hao. All right, so I'm going to go through some words that have the tone change, and you'll hear that used very often. So I'm going to repeat that first one. Ni hao. Ni hao.
Ni hao. Ni hao.
It's like, you good. So,
you good.
Hello.
Hi.
You good, literally. All right, and the next one, 你想. 你想.
你想. 你想. Which means you want to or you think.
Depends on the context. Okay, and we also have 你有. 你有.
你有. 你有. Which means you have.
And you would normally follow that. I mean, it can be an answer as a standalone, but sometimes that follows with a sentence. Like you have something, something, question mark, or something else. Okay.
For example,
你
有没有钱?
Oh, 你有没有钱? 我没有.
你没有.
So
我有.
Oh,那你给我. So basically he asked, do you have or not have money? I'm like, I don't have. And he says, I have money.
我有. And actually, in case you noticed, 我有 has a tone change itself. So 我 actually follows the same rules as 你.
Yeah, and 我 is like 你, originally third tone, and we changed that 我有, 你有. And of course, naturally, because he has so much money, I said, can you give me some then? So that was our conversation. All right, I've also got 你买.
Mm-hmm.
你买.
你买. 你买. Which means 买 means to buy. So 你买 means you buy.
I feel like if I said that too, it would be just asking you to pay.
Oh.
你买.
你买.
你买. 你去 is the original, no tone change. We've got 你去 and 你买.
So 你去 is like 你 third tone and 去 is fourth tone, right?
Yeah.
So
你去.
Oh, okay, so that's a normal one.
Normal one.
But if I have 你 originally and 买 together, it's two third tones.
Yeah.
So it becomes 你买. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
你买.
去. 你买. Yeah, so the two different tone changes. It's very subtle, I think, but once you're used to it, then it just kind of flows off your tongue. You don't have to think too much about which one is which tone.
I mean, I had all those tone change rules in school as well, but I think if once you start thinking about it actively, it's like, what? No. So that's why we have this drill. So we want to practice and practice and practice because then it becomes automized, right?
Yeah, and so you're used to how it sounds. We got one more for you. 你走. 你走.
你走. 你走.
That's kind of rude sounding.
Oh, yeah.
你走.
It means,
走.
like, 走 means walk or go. So it actually sounds like you want somebody to walk away. 你走.
Get out. 你走.
No, I want you to stay here.
Okay, so let's recap the rule. When we have two words put together and both are third tone, the first word becomes the second tone. So for example, in the original, we have 你要. That's third tone, fourth tone, 你要. After we do the variation, it becomes 你好. 好 was the third tone, 你好. So that's second tone, third tone. All right, that's it for today. I'm Joy.
And I'm Joe.
We'll see you back next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Introducing ChinesePod Recap, the app with fast summary lessons. How much time do you have? Join us in the beta program. For more info, go to ChinesePod.com/recap.